Hey friends, Drew here working on this deck expansion that we are working on here. I'm working on the old side of the deck. The new deck is off here to this side. And as we were putting our joist hangers in and getting things set, we took a look at what was going on here on the old side. And you'll notice that on the heads of these nails, there are markings. And the markings are all the same between what they have in here and what the diagonals are. Now I got no problem using joist hanger nails. Let's pull one out of the nail pouch here.
Well, just see where 9'9" brings us.
Got no problem using joist hanger nails to install a joist hanger. However, I don't consider that long enough to go diagonally through here and pick up the other side, toe-nailing it. For comparison, get both in my hand here, I would much rather see the 12-penny galvanized instead, which is about 3 1/4 inches long. And that way, when you come in through here at an angle through that joist hanger, you're actually catching something in the ledger board, whereas this guy is only going to be holding the wood and the joist hanger together. So given the choice, I would much rather see the 3 1/4 as opposed to the 1 whatever it is. So I'm in the process of removing the nails from the joist hangers, and we're going to pop these old ones out because that's what was in there, not much. And we're going to remove these, and then we are going to install the 12 pennies. So pick that one up later. All right, that's step 1. Step 2 is load these guys up and get some decent nails in here. Can you see the difference already? How much stronger that's going to be? So we get these in, and that's going to take 2 hands to get them at the angle I want, but I'll just show you. We'll drive the first set here, and it's the angle where you want it to follow right in. Now, because they have some old holes here and the old holes are going the wrong direction, that angle is really not pretty. I'd much have this more out here going in the wood more. So we're going to balance that out. It's going to take 2 hands. Can't hold the phone and do that at the same time. But I wanted to just let you see what was going on with this. We have our framing inspection today, so we're finalizing last little details. You've got, these are strong ties, which are required by code now. I think it's every 12 feet or so. You've got to have these tied back in and anchored to the joist on the inside of the house, or they have a different style that hangs down below and screws into the ledge board if you can't get access to what's going on with the inside. And there's only TGIs in there, so I kind of prefer the undermount system that we're using down here anyways. So that's what's going on this beautiful deck. If we can help you solve a problem, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation. Extension 2 for new projects. CopeBUILT is your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. There is nothing we don't do when it comes to your house. We'll build you a custom dream home, remodel your kitchen, your bathroom, finish your basement, interiors, exteriors, siding, windows, capping, doors, all of the above, roofing. Give us a call and our team will be happy to help you out. Our team is available to serve you weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. Remember, when we're finished with your project, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done, it was CopeBUILT. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.